days. 1, 2.
Hello guys. Hello guys. All right, guys. So I'm just doing a little bit of testing over here on my YouTube live. I just want to know how things are going to go before we can start our live session in the coming days ahead. But I want to confirm something for you guys. Okay, this is quite my first time, so I don't really know how things does or work over here. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat. Hello guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. As I said, okay, I'm just testing things out for next year's live streaming here on YouTube. So if you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. But before that, let's do just some analysis on GBPUSD. Okay, I just want to know how everything is going to work out. Okay, let's try and do some analysis on GBPUSD. I don't know if you can still hear me. But if you can, let's go ahead and do something. Okay, let's go ahead and do something very, very quick. Let's go ahead and do something very quick. All right, so GBPUSD starting the analysis on the monthly time frame. Okay, we have the monthly upper zone, the middle zone over here, and then the lower zone also over here. Now, let's talk about where price is going on the monthly time frame so that we can know exactly where to head to with our entry. You understand? All right, so if you look at the monthly time frame, price made a monthly push over here, monthly exhaustion, monthly continuational push again, under monthly exhaustion, but it failed to continue to the upside. Why? Because the sell pressure was too strong. So once price came back for the retest here on the monthly, it broke below the mid-range zone. So you can see that price is already broken below the mid-range zone and it's currently trading below what? The mid-range zone. So if we are below the mid-range zone, where do you think we are likely to go next? We are likely to head all the way to the next one, support level below here, which is going to be our monthly support level or our monthly lower zone. Now, how do we pick entry to the downside? We need to go to the various time frames, understand the procedure, and how we are going to do that as well. All right, so let's take it again to a weekly time frame and then add more info to this analysis as well. Okay, so this is also the weekly time frame on GBPUSD. If you look closely, what do you see here? We have our weekly mid-range zone over here as well. Now, the weekly time frame, price is in a downtrend, which is supporting the overall direction that we saw on the monthly time frame. And where is that downtrend? On the weekly, let's find out together. So if you look at the weekly, price broke below this what? Weekly support level to the downside, giving us a lower low here. After lower low, we have seen lower high, and then we are dropping all the way to the downside as well. Very simple as that. So on weekly time frame, we are seeing our lower low here neatly. Likely to see a lower high here as well on the retest here before price drops all the way to the downside. Very simple and straightforward like that. All right, now where are we looking for the sales? To the downside, you're looking for the sales at the retest over here on this what? Monthly resistance level. So we are going to sell from here all the way down, but we cannot just sell on the weekly. So let's take it further to daily time frame where we can add more meaning to this analysis. As I said, I'm just testing things out. Okay, so after the live session, if you see any concerns or anything that we need to set up again, just let me know and then I'll continue to do that as well. Okay, I'm just trying to test things out here on the YouTube live. All right, let's go to a daily time frame and then continue with the analysis as well. Okay, yeah, so your feedback on this live is going to be very, very helpful for me, okay, so that I can know how things are working and how to improve upon it as well. Okay, in terms of the visuals and everything. All right, now we're on the daily time frame. What do we see on the daily? On the daily time frame, we are seeing an uptrend. Why? Because price broke below our previous lower low here, giving us a higher high at the top. We saw higher low here, just below here. Okay. And then new high highs repeated. So on the weekly, on the daily, sorry, we are seeing an uptrend. Let me draw it well so that you guys can see. Higher high here, higher low, under higher high, we've seen another higher low. But we are looking for an entry to the downside. And then currently on the daily, price is in an uptrend. So if price is an uptrend daily, then what should we do before we pick our entry? It's very simple. We are going to stay patient for price to break below the current daily support level now to give us a push before we can start looking for entries all the way to the downside in this manner. Right? So GBPUSD, we are looking for entry below this what? Daily support level or daily upper zone over here. Right, let's take it further to the 4-hour time frame and then finish up the analysis very, very quickly. All right, on to the 4H. All right, so this is the 4-hour time frame on GBPUSD. Now, if you look at the GBPUSD on the 4-hour time frame, price currently what? Ranging above this what? Daily resistance level. So after price broke above the daily resistance, we are seeing what? Equal highs and equal lows. Mean that what? Price currently what? In a range. So how are we going to pick our entry in this manner? We said it again, or we said it previously on the daily time frame, that we're expecting price to break below the daily support level here to the downside to give us a push, an exhaustion before an entry all the way to the downside in this manner. So GBPUSD, this is going to be our entry all the way down to the next what? Weekly support level. Simple as that. Okay, so this is going to be a very what? Beautiful sell setup over here, which I'm expecting to see on GBPUSD as I've already what? Analyzed from the monthly all the way to the 4-hour time frame. So something like this, very neat, very straightforward, simple as well, and then we head all the way to the downside. right? Yeah, so once price break below this daily support level, it will also break below 8-4 hour range over here, and then we'll be able to pick our entry after a new lower low and then a new lower high has been created, and we sell all the way down on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, this is our full and complete technical. And someone may ask, classy, if you are sure that price is going to come down, why don't we sell over here? That's a very good question. We cannot sell it because price was in a range, and the daily is also in an uptrend, which means that the daily has not agreed in the overall direction of the market. So we cannot do that. Okay, we can only sell when price breaks below to give us what the lower low that we need, the lower high, agreeing to the overall direction, and then we start selling all the way down. All right, so guys, I said I'm just doing a little bit of testing over here. I just want to know your feedback. Okay, I just want to know your feedback on the live session, how it is going, okay, and everything. How it is going and everything. Is the visuals okay? What do I need to improve in terms of the screen and everything? Okay. All right. Let me check the live. Okay, so Uche Awuzi is saying I can hear you clearly from Biafra. Okay. Someone said check internet connectivity. Okay, that's very good. I like that. Your voice breaking, boss. Okay. Okay, so I'll check the microphone as well. Thank you for your feedback. As well. Someone said everything is going smoothly. Okay, I can see that. So I'm just reading the comments so that I can know what to do. If you have any pair that you want me to look out for you, okay, just drop in the comment section. Okay, drop pairs for me to look out for you. Today, if you have any. Okay, currently we are in a gold trade. Those of you that are in my Telegram channel, we took a trade on XAUUSD. Okay, we have made massive profit on this one. Okay, very massive profit on this XAUUSD or gold signal that I sent to the group. So if you're not in my free signals group, make sure to click the link on my bio and then join us up. Okay, Okay, I'm seeing GBPJPY. Let's go all the way to GBPJPY. Let's go to GBPJPY. Okay, now this is GBPJPY. Okay, GBPJPY. I'm going to begin from the monthly time frame as usual. Okay, whilst I'm speaking and my voice is breaking, you can also let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, I'm going to improve on everything. I'm just trying to test it out before we go full mode on our live streaming as well. Okay, so this is GBPJPY here on the monthly time frame. Now let's look at certain things here on GBPJPY monthly time frame. Okay, now on the monthly time frame, we have this monthly upper zone and then this monthly lower zone as well. Now, on the monthly time frame, we want to understand where the market is going on overall. Okay, so this is the entire monthly chart on GBPJPY. And if you look at GBPJPY, where do you think price is going on the monthly? Okay, just have a closer look. Okay, where do you think price is going on the monthly? Okay, is it going up or is dropping all the way to the downside? Okay, now whether price is dropping or going up, we are going to what? Deduce that, or we are going to see that on the weekly time frame. Okay, but even here on the monthly, we can still see an overall perspective of where price wants to go here on the monthly. So if you look at the monthly, okay, looking at the monthly without being biased, okay, I can see that price going all the way to the upside on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, we are heading all the way up, but that is not absolute. We need to consult various time frames to understand that. Okay, I may be wrong, so we need to consult various time frames. All right, let's take it further to weekly time frame where we can add more details to the GBPUSD or GBPJPY analysis. All right, so on to the weekly, 1 week. All right, so this is the weekly time frame of GBPJPY. Now GBPJPY, we said on the monthly that price is going to go up, and then we want to confirm it on the weekly and the other time frames as well. So this is the weekly time. What do we see on the weekly? We have the weekly upper zone and the weekly lower zone. In terms of structure, what is price doing here on the monthly? We are currently seeing an uptrend. Why? Because price broke above the lower high of this what area. This was what the weekly lower high. Price broke above it, giving us a higher high here. Drop down for higher low, and then what happened? We are heading all the way to the upside. So if you look at the weekly, we are in an uptrend, and the price is even forming a morning star candle confirmation right here on the weekly support level. So if you look at the entire structure of the weekly time frame, it is very evident that we are heading all the way to the upside. Simple as that. So if you are going up, how are we going to come up with the entries? let's consult the next time frame is going to be the daily time frame. So 1 day, let's go. Okay, so this is also the daily time frame on GBPJPY. Let me take this away. Now GBPJPY on the daily time frame, okay, we are seeing things very clearly. Price is looking above the weekly lower zone as we saw on the weekly. So on the weekly, this entire movement over here was the morning star candle confirmation that we saw on the weekly. All right, now since price has been able to break about the weekly resistance level here, what are we expecting? Retest and then continuation of the move all the way to the upside. So let's take it again to the 4 hour time frame and know how we can potentially be picking entries above the weekly resistance over here all the way to the upside of GBPJPY. All right, so GBPJPY moving all the way to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame on GBPJPY. Let's dive into it. Now GBPJPY on the 4 hour time frame, we are seeing it very clearly that price has been able to break above this weekly resistance very clearly over here. And I said on the daily that we are expecting some form of a retest over here before an entry all the way to the upside of GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, that's what I'm expecting before an entry all the way to the upside. So once price is able to complete retest on this weekly resistance level as support now, then we find entry opportunity here to go all the way to the upside as well on GBPJPY. So that's it also for GBPJPY. Any other pair in the comment section? All right, I'm seeing USDCHF by Money Deck or Mommy Deck. He's saying USDCHF. Let's dive into USDCHF. Let's find out very quick as well. Guys, I said if you cannot hear my voice clearly, make sure to let me know in the comment section as well. USDCHF, I think the network is also quite an issue, which I'm going to fix very, very soon. Okay, so bear with me as we go through this together. All right. So USDCHF, I'm going to start from the monthly time frame. So USDCHF by Mommy Deck. Okay, I think Mommy Deck. All right, Mommy Deck. All right, let's switch to USDCHF. All right, so this is USDCHF here on the monthly time frame. Let's talk about it very quickly. Hold on for me. Okay, so this is USDCHF right here on the monthly time frame. Let's dive into it very quickly. Now USDCHF on the monthly time frame. What do we have here as well? We have the monthly upper zone. If you look at USDCHF, where do you think price going on the monthly? It is very clear that price heading all the way to the upside because we're seeing strong level of buy sensitivity on this area, pushing the market further to the upside. Okay, and then price is most likely to have another contact with its monthly mid-range zone or its monthly resistance level. All right, now that we know the direction on the monthly, let's take it further to the other time frames and know